This is how you're going to find your IP address on Hostinger. You primarily need your Hostinger's server IP address when pointing to an external domain to your hosting plan. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to head over to your Hostinger hPanel website, and then from here you're going to make sure that you're logged in or sign up through this profile right here at the top right corner. Just make sure that you're logged into your account, and then from on your dashboard you're going to locate the specific hosting account you need for the IP, and then you're going to click on manage. So from here you can just click on websites right here, and then if you already have purchased a website or if you have an existing website, you're just going to click on manage, and then you're going to look for the website details or account details panel on the main page. It really depends on the layout of your Hostinger. Now after that, the server IP address will be clearly listed here. It is up in a set of numbers like 185.123.45.67, and that's it. That is how you're going to find your IP address. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.